day. I don't come again with another Ogbonge gist or another Ogbonge story. I beg if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una run go subscribe. And if you don't subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, make them subscribe so that they go know all the gist where they go on around the entertainment industry. I be you want the door, not door. Information and power. Today I want to talk about one Kenyan woman we can they complain bitterly. Say we single mothers, those where they do prostitution, all of them where they come out, where they go riot, where they go complain. Say this one does too much. Say fear not that Nigerian may come they date them again because of waiting police they use their eyes see. Say if you they date Nigerian man for that side and maybe they just go out, maybe they want to go buy something, and so Kenyan police go come harass them, carry the man, go police station, come they demand for sum of money like 500,000, 100,000. Say not be small thing. Kenya police they use Nigerian men. I see for that side though. Say many Nigerian men now they don't come up for Kenya. They don't leave who they marry. Even some say if they dey into a serious relationship, they don't break up because of all these things where they happen. Say she don't tire. Say Ashawo self not can they pay again because she said prostitution not they pay again for that side again because na Nigerian men they sabi pay better money. Now then they give them better money, but because of all these things where can they happen, they not they like one come Kenya again. They don't want come. Say many people don't turn to single mama, baby mama. Say they don't tire. Say when they come out, go riot. My people, I go fit talk. I go play on the video. Make una watch and for una self. I beg watch this video.
The Nigerians are afraid. They want a relationship with you, but they are afraid to marry you. Because what kind of country is going to be mistreating them and they will come and marry us? Our kids are Nigerians. They are fatherless. We have children that they don't have their father. Not because their father does not want to be in their life. Because Kenya has deported the father. Kenya has used bribe to pursue the father. Now, we just match. Customers are going away. Ashawo business is no longer booming. We are not seeing money because our customers are afraid to come out. If they come out, they are being arrested. If they come out, they are being asked for money. If they come out, they are being beaten. If they come out, Apana, we match. Ashawo, you come out for your customer. Baby mama, you come out for your baby daddy. Even if they have not yet arrested your husband, they will arrest you. We are scared to date Nigerians. Why? 1 minute you are dating him, the next minute he has gone to buy food, they have arrested him, they want 500,000, they want 100,000. Why do you want to see 100,000? You are afraid of having a Nigerian boyfriend because you don't know when they will arrest him and they will need 200,000. This issue has gotten out of hands. Ashawo, come out. Baby mama, come out. Girlfriend, come out. Wife, come out. You are carrying a Nigerian belly. Come out. If Nigerians will follow us to IPOA, it's okay. But they should stay inside. They should stay in their house. This is our country. Excuse me. We are lacking. Women are being rendered husbandless. Women are being, where we have seen small penis. That is what you want to pursue. You want to chase them away so that what? So that we can suffer. So that we will not have orgasms. So that we... How many Kenyan girls are going to Nigeria, Lagos, and their life is being transformed? They are being given money. My friend went to Nigeria. She did not mistreating Kenyans in their country. They are not mistreating Kenyans. When they see you in their country, they will feed you. They will give you money. Deny it, even if you not be a Ashawo. Deny it. Any person that has been held hand by a Nigerian man, that person is living well. Our life was transformed the moment these men started having interest at us. Now they don't want to marry us. They are afraid. Which kind of country is Kenya? They are afraid of Kenya. Men are coming here. They just want fun not because Kenyan women are not beautiful. Not because Kenyan women are not good or worth it. Because they are afraid of police issue. Police. We are tired of police brutality. We are tired of discrimination. We are tired of extortion. When they arrest your boyfriend, they ask you not to follow the police because they know that you will fight for him. They ask you to give money. Why do you want to see 50,000? Is it a crime to date a Kenyan woman? Is it a crime to date a Kenyan woman? Police should tell us where they want us to take our children. I am living with a kid without the father because Kenya did something. Excuse me. We will carry our children to IPOA. We will carry our children to police station. We will carry our children to street. If they are going to deport their husbands, if they are going to send them away, then they should take the children. We are donating our children to Kenya government. Hey! Stop it!
My people, chuchu not be small thing they happen for Kenya. Oh, I think I don't watch the video. I don't see wetin the woman talk. I see with this place now some incidents where don't they happen to Nigerian men. My people, now go help us. So my people, now this one will bring for our entertainment news today. I bet we're gonna do well to share, like, and comment. Until we meet again for another entertainment news. Nado.
Fire when the strong hits you.
That's it, friend.